In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Behance on Windows. Whether you're a creative professional or simply someone who loves exploring innovative projects, having quick access to Behance can significantly streamline your daily browsing experience. Now, let's get started with the step-by-step process to make Behance easily accessible on your Windows machine. Firstly, open your preferred web browser on your computer and type Behance into the search bar. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of search results. Find the official Behance website and click on it to proceed. This will take you directly to their homepage where you can find a variety of showcased creative projects. Next, you'll need to sign into your Behance account if you haven't already. Simply click on the Sign In option and enter your credentials. This ensures that you can easily access your personalized dashboard with all your followed projects and creatives whenever you launch the app. Once you're on the Behance site and logged in, look towards the top right corner of your browser. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is generally the menu icon in most browsers like Chrome or Edge. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll find a range of options that allow you to interact with the current web page. From that menu, select the option called Cast and Save. This feature essentially lets you project and save the current page settings, making it easier for future use. From the same drop-down menu, you should be able to see an option titled Install Page as App. By clicking on this, you are essentially turning the web page into a standalone application that behaves like any other app installed on your computer. It's a great way to save time, as this allows you to launch Behance directly without having to open it through a web browser each time. Finally, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Simply click on Install to proceed. The Behance icon will now be visible either on your desktop or within your list of apps in the Start menu, depending on your settings. That's it. You now have quick access to Behance directly from your Windows interface. This method saves time and makes your navigation seamless, allowing you to dive into creativity without delay. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember that exploring and discovering creative work is now just a click away. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.